Welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, we will learn about a new thing in ArcGIS. We will learn a basic thing of ArcGIS and it is very important thing also. So this is the village boundary map of two states of India and this boundary are in polygon, and if you want to replace any name of polygon, any features of polygon, etc., this video will be helpful to you. So first of all, you need to do this using attribute table. So if you want to do with attribute table, so you need to open attribute table, right click on the villages file, then open attribute table. This is the attribute table with 74,246 rows. If you want to replace any feature, any name, etc., you need to click on here, table options, then first option, find and replace. I already showed the work of find tool, and now I am showing you the work of replace tool. Replace any part, all, match case, etc. See that if you replace, this is the name of any shape file. I see here Gari shape file into what, into something different from this. So you need to first find and then replace, but here see that replace with this option is not working. So what to do, you need to replace anything means you need to change the features in attribute table. So if you want to change anything in attribute table, you need to edit, and if you want to edit, so you need to click on start editing. Where is the start editing? This is the editor tool, and start editing. What do you want to edit? Villages sub file, and continue. Okay, and now see that find and replace Gari, and this replace with this option is open now, it is working now. And if you want to change this Gari name into Hari and replace, you need to click on replace. I don't want to replace, so I'm not working this, and you need to replace and okay. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel and like this video, and also click on bell icon to get notified of any new videos from my channel, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions to me. Thank you.